Okay, we had a great first day. Flew to Lukla early. We got the first flight out of Kathmandu, so that worked really well. And now we're just leaving Monjo. We had a nice night last night in Monjo. The group's doing great. And the weather's been really beautiful. Can't complain about that at all. The temperatures are nice. The trail's not too crowded, and everybody's having a good time. So what we do today is spent last night in Monjo. A lot of groups go to Farache. We push it a couple hours further, get to Monjo. And that way this morning when we leave the tea house, we're really close to the entrance to the national park, Sagamartha National Park. And then we'll cross some suspension bridges, head up the Dukosi River Valley, and climb Namche Hill into Namche. So then we can be in Namche Bazaar this afternoon for lunch. And to settle in, where we'll spend 2 nights in Namche, acclimatizing and checking things out. I'll have a little acclimation day tomorrow and look around. We'll go over that. But yeah, nice to be back in the Khumbu. Nice to be back with the group and see all the friends and families along the way and take it all in. It's really beautiful. Okay, we've just made our way up the Dukosi River Valley into the national park from Monjo, and we're at the high suspension bridge. This is the confluence of the Dukosi River and the Tibet River. We're gonna cross the suspension bridge, work our way up Namche Hill into Namche, be there for lunch. It's a beautiful day out. I'm wearing a t-shirt, and everybody's excited. They're excited to see this bridge because they all saw it on the Everest movie. Although the funny thing is, on the Everest movie that has just came out, they have this bridge in it from the 1996 disaster on Everest, the accident up there, and this bridge indeed wasn't here in 1996. The lower bridge was the one that was used, and now we're using the higher bridge to a new access point on the Namche Hill Trail. So we're gonna head up to Namche Bazaar, and we're having a great day on the trek to Mount Everest Base Camp.
Hey, beautiful.
You can see here the Tibet River coming in and the Dukosi River coming in, the confluence, and then heading down valley. Really beautiful day we're having today. Don't know if we'll have clear views of Mount Everest from Namche Hill, but we won't know until we get there. It's kind of scattered clouds, so they might be up high. Okay, we are making our way up Namche Hill. Left Monjo this morning, entered the Sagamartha National Park. Did our permits there, then dropped down into the Dukosi River, along the river, across the suspension bridges, climbed up and across the new high bridge, across the Dukosi, right at the confluence where the Dukosi and the Tibet River meet, and then we started up Namche Hill. No views at the viewpoint for me today. A couple people saw it briefly as the clouds move quickly around Everest, but we should have some pretty good views in the days to follow here. But yeah, now we're just walking up the trail. Group's doing great, making our way up Namche Hill through the nice beautiful pine forest here, and soon enough we'll be into Namche. So what we try to do is, on our first day out, leave Lukla and make it all the way to Monjo the first day. It's a bit longer. We have lunch in Phuc Dang, then push on to Monjo, and that way today we get to Namche for lunch. We'll have lunch at the Namche bakery, and then we will have a little bit of relaxing time before this afternoon. And we'll spend 2 nights in Namche. Tomorrow we'll do a hike and some monastery visit and some cultural stuff, and then spend the night again acclimatizing to 11,500 feet here in Namche Bazaar. But we're off to a good start. The weather's been terrific. It's quite warm this morning. I was wearing just a t-shirt. I could probably have a t-shirt on right now. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. We're making our way into Namche on the Everest Base Camp trek.